Shouldn't the dealer point out hearing the 3.6 tick? They've tried to sell me a cat converter for the engine light, but didn't mention it. Should I press them 16 Caravan? Rocks rolls. They're not going. Here's one thing we can't do, or dealer techs can't do. It's against policy. They can't upsell warranty. In other words, they can't. Yeah, just like I said, they can't upsell warranty. They can't try to sell warranty work to the warranty company. Now, I'm pretty sure they can tell that the repair that they writing up is warranty or not. They got the same information as everybody else. So once they find out it's warranty, they might have to scratch it out. They can't upsell warranty. So if your car is under warranty, don't look for them to tell you you got a problem. You should know that on your own. Rocks, come on now. Let's get it together. Yes, you should tell them. I think I heard a ticking noise too. I'm under warranty. Can y'all go ahead and fix that?